In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a high converting LinkedIn bio with AI in just 5 minutes. Whether you're revamping your existing profile or creating a new one, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process, enhancing your professional presence on LinkedIn. First, open your preferred web browser and go to linkedin.com. You can log in using your Google or Microsoft account or simply input your email address and password. If you've opted for two-factor authentication, you might need to verify your account with a security code sent to your phone, so be ready to complete this step. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage. Look towards the top of the page and locate the Me icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on View Profile, which will bring you to your own LinkedIn page. Next, you'll want to add an important section to your profile, which is the About section. To do this, navigate to the Add Profile section button, which you can find on your profile page. Click on this button and you'll see several options. Under the Core category, click on Add About. This is where you'll craft a compelling and attractive bio that will capture interest and convey your professional story effectively. In the text box that appears, you'll see a Get AI Suggestion link. This feature can be a fantastic help, especially if you're unsure where to start. However, note that this option is available only to users who have a premium LinkedIn subscription. If you do have access to this AI tool, clicking on this link will generate personalized bio suggestions that you can use or modify to better fit your personal style and goals. If you don't have a premium account, don't worry. You can still create a high converting bio by focusing on clear and concise language that outlines your unique skills, experiences, and professional achievements. Make sure to incorporate any keywords relevant to your industry to increase visibility in searches. After drafting your bio, take a moment to review it, ensuring it reflects your professional identity accurately and positively. Once you're satisfied with what you've written, don't forget to click Save to secure your changes. That's it. With these steps, you've effectively enhanced your LinkedIn profile with a polished bio that can capture the attention of potential employers, clients, or collaborators. Remember, your LinkedIn bio is an evolving piece of your professional identity, so feel free to update it as your career progresses or as your goals change.